Master Biz.
Yep.
Oh my god, there's a boatload coming from the hills. Blow up this claimer, we might pull this off. I mean, getting this, not actually.
No.
Oh, here's the X-Men tard.
Right here. Wash a portal or something.
There's a lot of them coming in now. You might have to play
Yeah,
out
just
there.
move out of there, guys. We're not going to be able to get this. They're already in here. We're going to jump out. They're already here. You should already be leaving that large room.
Alright.
Oh, hey, random thief.
Hey, maybe they'll kill our rams and our cats will
Can you
be
guys
alive.
come north and save my ass? That'd be great.
We are
North?
completely south.
No, we can't do that.
Oh, that's not
Fuck, it got like 3 thieves on me. 3v1 on my fucking heal build. I got this.
If I can find where you are at, maybe.
He's up north here, this way.
Nope. Actually got killed by an ice drake. GG. Revived.
He's over that way.
Oh, what the fuck?
Here comes the stomp.
Tower with 20 in it.
Nah, they're not even close to me. Oh, please kill these 3 fucking trolls. This would be amazing. Yeah. Unit, or this HMO guy. Bringing him.
Well, there's a bunch on the cliff.
Yeah, they're fucking
Guy,
crazy.
kill this guy and leave.
They're scared.
Hold on. Come north. Come north.
Necro. Camp 2. We're far behind, maybe.
Yeah, we can get that necro probably.
Limp Necro.
Jesus, kinda clear.
Above us too.
This is a shitty engage spot. Move north.
Pull back.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, don't fight down there.
Well, no one told us.
You're right.
No, that was my bad.
We can fight up here.
Got a cliff too, so Rangers looks like. Yeah, we're not running, bitches. Come on, get us. Yeah, I know. Really? They're like, what?
I'm up here by Arcadas. Where Arcadas are.
Bag.
One person.
Oh yeah, he's getting jumped. Let's see if we can bail him. Oh, Slash, you good?
Oh.
Move in on the water here. There's only a handful.
It's a building up.
Big boom.
Throw the bomb on Crooks.
Interrupted that.
We only got one. I think it was a clone. Oh no, he's alive. Oh, I got that NG.
To get owned.
There was that last one. Good job.
I'm gonna
Rock,
mob him.
please.
Oh, we got up. Nice. Dab if you need that. Stop.
Oh, you killed him.
Must be on Briar soon.
No swords.
Oh, they got our
Oh,
cannons.
they took the camp.
What camp?
Ranger.
Southeast.
West.
Oh, we gotta get this doo-doo guy.
Oh, why is that?
We've been
Because
killing
that'll
him.
be a third time.
That guy.
Third time's a charm.
Alright.